Hello everyone, welcome to the chasing and capturing section. So this is the first question. It's all about capturing your opponent's stones. This is white to play, and of course, white is in danger of being killed. But if I see this in a real game situation, I would not be worried about white, because white already has a real eye here, and white can pretty easily capture this stone. Why do I say that? Why is that my intuition? Because as I discussed in chapter 1 on capturing techniques, capturing is all about finding the cross-cuts, the cutting points, and doing the throw-ins. Here there are many cutting points and throw-ins that we can do. One is here, here, and here. There's plenty for us. So capturing techniques are pretty simple in the end because you just try these cutting points, try the throw-ins, and combine them in different sequences and see what happens. There should be one that works out, especially in these problems, which are supposed to be all solvable. So here, this throw-in is very important, right? Let black capture, but by letting your opponents capture, your opponent's liberties are reduced. Try to push through here, black connects, but here's another cutting point, and then just exhaust the liberties from behind, right? Meaning playing here, right? Note that white should not throw in again. This throw in is totally unnecessary and creates a ko instead. So liberty from the outside, black. Usually if you're black, you connect the cutting point on the outside first. And then now this is a connect and die situation for these two black stones. Black cannot connect because it'll all be captured and this will be one real eye, right? So black can only connect here and white will capture like this. So once again, identify the cutting points, do the throw-ins, and exhaust your opponent's liberties from behind. I think that is the methodology we're following here. As a little bonus, I would say that my first move here is not the best move. It's not the optimal move for white. What do I mean by that? In a real game, you would want to push here first, because presumably here on the left side is all black's territory. If you play this, then black will be able to connect here. White captures like this. Now black has 4 points here if we count black's territory. However, if we push here first, then black only has 2 points. So by pushing here first, white has earned 2 more points. So why not? So you might be thinking, I'm overthinking this question, but actually no. This is what you should be thinking in every game, in every pattern. Not just how to capture your opponent's stones, how to achieve the objective of the problem, but how to maximize your profits, maximize your points. Because in real games, that's exactly what you need to do for every situation. So here, pushing here will earn you 2 more points. So you should push here first. The cutting points, the throw-ins are still here. It doesn't hurt you. So number 1 should be this, and then the throw-in should come second. So that's it for this problem, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.